In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your 2025 goals using Notion, a fantastic digital tool that can transform how you organize and track your objectives for the year. Let's dive in and set you up for a year of achievement and success. First, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you haven't signed up yet, no problem. Just head over to Notion's website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Here's where you can create, customize, and manage various pages for different aspects of your life or work. Next, let's create a new page in Notion. You'll find an option on your dashboard to add a new page. Simply click on it, and you'll see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. We want this to be your dedicated space for tracking goals, so start by giving it a meaningful title. Name it 225 Goals Tracker. This way, you'll immediately know what this page is intended for every time you visit it. Once your page is named, the next step is to set up a to-do list. This will serve as a straightforward method to jot down your key yearly objectives. By creating a checklist, you effectively get a visual representation of what you aim to accomplish throughout the year. Notion's to-do list feature allows you to tick items off once completed, giving you that little burst of motivation each time you see your progress. We then move to a more granular level of goal management. For this, consider adding in pages dedicated to your monthly goals. Break down those big yearly plans into smaller, more manageable chunks. Create a new page within your 2025 goals tracker for each month. This allows you to focus on specific targets each month and makes your overall plan less overwhelming. Now, inside each monthly page, create a table view. This is where you can start organizing your goals with precision. Notion allows you to add various properties like tags, progress indicators, and deadlines, which will help in categorizing and prioritizing your tasks efficiently. A powerful feature you shouldn't miss is the ability to add a calendar view. Integrating this view allows you to visualize your tasks and due dates at a glance. It's a fantastic way to ensure that deadlines don't creep up unexpectedly and helps you maintain a balanced pace throughout the year. Congratulations! You've now set up a comprehensive goals tracker in Notion that not only gives you a plan at a glance, but also keeps everything organized and easily accessible. This setup not only enhances your productivity, but also keeps you motivated by showcasing your achievements as the year progresses. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!